हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ उड़ीसा का कैपिटल भुवनेश्वर सिटी में और आई एम स्टेइंग इन ए होटल कॉल होटल पुष्पक। आई रियली लाइक दिस होटल, स्पेशली इस रेस्टोरेंट द गोल्डन बर्ड। चलिए आपको एक छोटा सा सफ़र कराते हैं इस रेस्टोरेंट का, मेरे साथ रहिए।
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Thank you for watching the channels.
आपका नाम बोलिए पहले।
My name is Umakant Das. I am the restaurant manager, and this is the hotel Pushpak, the Golden Bird restaurant name. This is a multi-cuisine restaurant. People are enjoying here the breakfast and now is going on. और यहाँ पे संडे का दिन खास हम लोग बुफे लंच लगाते हैं, जो कि वो काफ़ी डिलीशियस होता है यहाँ पे, और काफ़ी रोज़ क्राउड भी होता है यहाँ पे। और उसका प्राइस 650 रखे हैं और काफ़ी सारा चीज़ इसमें लेआउट होता है। अभी तो ब्रेकफास्ट का सेशन चल रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। Welcome to Golden Bird restaurant. Now the breakfast session is going on here, and I will explain you what the things have been in the buffet right now. We do have some bread toast here, white and brown, with muffins. And, they're serving a hot steaming idli with sambar, with two types of chutneys and cereals, choco cornflakes with milk. And tea coffee section also we do have here, tea and coffee. As for the flavor of tea also we do have green tea, black tea, sandwiches also here. Then we have nice paratha, which is mixed veg paratha here. Every day we do the different paratha, but today we kept mixed paratha with plain curd. It's a nice luchi with aloo kasa. It's a traditional dish in Orissa. Same here, detox water. This is the health concept for those are having morning some health conscious drinks. This is the detox water. And pineapple freshly made, fresh pineapple juice with fresh mango milkshake. This is the sweet rasgulla. We do have a own halwa, so this is homemade halwa section. The bichir muesli. this is also a sweet dish. And same here, nice non-veg section. We do have chicken sausage with boiled egg. And live section we do have sir eggs to order and waffles we are serving there. Same we have some South Indian dishes, medu vada with semi upma with some cut fruit, sprout and green the boiled corn. And this is our regular breakfast and we operating the every day. The price is 300 plus tax. All the in-house guests they are having here and they are enjoying sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.